Hello, back again with the part 2 sort of video. I've got the GoPro right here, Hero 7, silver, and the Adventure Kit, which I mentioned in my GoPro unboxing. And this is the Adventure Kit. Comes with a handle which floats and has a strap on it, a head strap, a clip mount I think, and a really nice bag by the looks of it. So let's get to unboxing. Good old handy Gerber knife. There is a unboxing of this knife as well, if you're interested. So, cut the top off and you still have to tear it, so. There we go. And on the box just has what you get in it, foam screw bag, how some stuff works, roughly what it looks like, and that's pretty much it. There's the bag, really nice. It's like a rubbery sort of texture on it, nice soft bag side, very sturdy. GoPro written there, nice little addition of a blue tag bit. Let's get the knife back out, cut this little string bit off. And very sturdy and good sounding bag, if that's the thing you go for. Here we go. So you've got up here, little zip compartment, and sidetracking all of this good stuff. But let's get into it. Alright, here is the handle, very nice, comfy, spongy, good gripping mount with safety strap, which you tighten it to your specific wrist, and you grip like that, pivot it, very nice, feel really comfy walking with that about. So with that, there's the clip. This one you have to pull apart. I know there is some which I like actual grips where you squeeze one end and it opens, but still really good. Good at gripping. Probably a bit fiddly to put on, but I guess if you're putting it on something, you leave it on it, but it does its job when you finally get it on there. We have the head strap. So just get this off, show you this. So far, it's really nice plasticky, but feels well quality. And the strap is really nice and soft with a rubbered insert inside of it with these like zigzags. Really nice. Adjustable to fit any head, probably be fine. So yet again, try and show you. Don't forget, if you do like the videos, please look at other ones, watch other ones, and please leave your thoughts and comments on how I can improve in the description. So I know how to improve. use the one they supplied in this. But yeah. And if I do it completely flat for you, as flat as this will allow, out of the box to the actual base bit, that is pretty solid. Aimed tiniest bit downwards, but you can always get the slightly hooked around adapter if you want it to be even higher. Yeah, there's that. And bit of rubbish. And this is a little handy strap they do, so you can actually divide your compartments for stuff, which is really good. And does it all fit in? Well, yeah. It'd be nice if they added an extra one to divide there, but it's fine. Nice. Alright, you gotta be careful with the inside zip, because there's a slight string there. Cut that off. But apart from that, put those in there. Flip it up. Fold this way. And don't know how you're supposed to fold that up. We just shove that in there like that for now. And there you go. Nice compact bag for your GoPro and Adventure Kit. Hope you liked, subscribe, and for more, press the bell. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.